This is my coronavirus cough catcher that I'm making that people can build at home and use it so you can catch the cough. This is cotton from a t-shirt, 8x6 rolled up in a ball. You place it in the cut paper towel tube, place it inside. You put this inside like so. You make a little cut right here so you can fold it up in. You slide it up in there, and you can take a glue gun and put a drop of glue right there at the end. And there you go, you got a coronavirus cough catcher so you don't put the droplets into the air. And hopefully we can get through this together, and let me know how you make out on building one. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.